How do informants establish probable cause for an arrest? Imagine you're walking down the street when a tip comes in about someone carrying illegal drugs. How does that tip turn into a valid reason for police to make an arrest? That's where probable cause comes into play. Probable cause is the standard law enforcement must meet to justify an arrest or search. It means there are enough facts and circumstances to make a reasonable person believe a crime has happened and that the person involved is connected to it. Informants are often the source of this information. They tell police about criminal activity, but not all tips are enough on their own. Courts look closely at how trustworthy the informant is and how they know what they are claiming. Trustworthiness means, has the informant given accurate information before? The basis of knowledge asks whether the informant saw the crime happen, heard about it from someone else, or just guessed. In the past, courts used a strict two-part test. They wanted to see if the informant was reliable and if they had a solid reason to believe what they were saying. If either part was weak, the tip might not be enough for probable cause. Today, courts use a more flexible approach called the totality of the circumstances. This means they consider all the facts together. If the informant has a good track record, even if some details are vague, the overall tip might still support an arrest. Police often try to verify parts of the informant's story. For example, if the tip says someone will be carrying drugs at a certain place and time, police might watch that location. If they see the person described, that corroboration helps strengthen the case for probable cause. Even anonymous tips can sometimes be enough if police verify key details independently. But if the tip is vague or unverified, or if the informant has a history of giving false information, courts might decide there is not enough probable cause for an arrest. From a criminal defense point of view, it's important to challenge how probable cause was established. If the informant was unreliable or lacked first-hand knowledge, or if police didn't verify the information properly, the arrest could be challenged. If the court finds that probable cause was not present, any evidence obtained might be thrown out. This protects your Fourth Amendment rights against unreasonable searches and seizures. In practice, police and prosecutors need to present clear evidence about the informant's reliability and how they got their information. Defense attorneys will examine these details carefully to make sure the arrest was lawful. Remember, establishing probable cause based on informant tips is a delicate process, and understanding it helps protect your rights when facing arrest or detention.